Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. The day after, yesterday, we got a big bearish move, which in general, what we talked about yesterday, yesterday, what the price was, I believe, right here, we had already seen some sort of excuse me, I'm moving all sorts of things. We had already seen some sort of a bearish breakout. So what we talked about yesterday as well is that it is quite likely that we'll drop down lower here. You could already see that yesterday throughout the day, we actually lost the trend, dropped down below the trend right here. Hopefully you can see that. Like here, you can see that gray kind of sloping up band here. Broke down below that, bearish break retest. And then in the evening, we got a massive liquidation event throughout the entire market. So hopefully you stayed safe throughout that. Personally, and in the Signal group, I actually bought Dogecoin during that crash here at 38. I bought it at 38.2 cents, and I will post some sort of confirmation of that, probably on X, because I know it sounds I know it sounds unbelievable, because I do think we managed, like I believe we had an entry at the POC of the previous month, which is obviously a strong support level. So we entered the bottom. Right now, the big question is, after such a big liquidation event, like the market is always a bit unsure. So what you need to see right now, and what we need to see if we actually want to see a relatively strong Dogecoin again, is some bullish confirmations. And I would say it's very early, all right? And what's going to matter a lot today is how the US opens. Yesterday, the US did not open well. We got some bullish momentum into the session, but then very, very soon afterwards, it turned into a bull trap, and we got this big bearish move. That was already a bad sign. We also stayed relatively safe in the premium groups, luckily. But signs like that, I'll try to keep you updated on that. But I would rather like to see some sort of a crash at the start of the US opening, some sort of a bear trap, than bullish momentum. So that's going to be crucial to see. So far, if we take a look at Dogecoin here, I think we look good. All right, I think we look good that this was the bottom and that we can actually see some sort of recovery. The volume has obviously gone up a lot with the selling, which is obvious. You get a lot of liquidations and people getting out. Volume is dropping down a bit here, so that means that there's some more stability coming in. And what you can see is that we had this trend going on right here, which actually mattered quite a bit. Because that's also, if you go to the 12-hour time frame, that's also the 12-hour trend band. And so far, we seem to be respecting that, right? We seem to respecting the uptrend still. You can even see on the 1-hour time frame that we managed to break above that trend line, which, whether you like trend lines or not, they can actually be a great indication. We managed to break above that and actually retest it, all right? So that makes it more valid. So over the course of the day, the main kind of thing I'll be looking at is, can we hold this level at 40 cents? As long as we're able to hold that, then at least the higher time frame uptrend is still fine, and then we can actually get some sort of a move into 43, 44 cents. But most importantly, stability, because that's what you want to see. You want to see stability after a move like we had, and then if we have that, then we can start talking about getting back up to 45 cents and potentially breaking above that. But that is not the main priority right now, of course. So that's going to be the main thing to focus on over the course of today. What I think is most likely, in conclusion, because I know quite a lot of you like that, I think so far, looking at the markets, looking at how Bitcoin is behaving in combination with the Bitcoin dominance, and then combining that with what I'm seeing from Dogecoin right now in terms of more stability with the volume, but also the technical confirmation we've seen so far, I think it's most likely Dogecoin will stabilize in this bullish structure, and that therefore we can also expect some more bullish momentum into 42, into 43, into 44 cents potentially, even though that's a bit high. Get some bullish momentum into that, find resistance, consolidate, and then from that consolidation, we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that, but it's most likely to see bullish continuation. But we'll be back about that. So that's what I think you need to know for now. I will try to keep you updated on that. I'll make some sort of a middle of the day market update as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.